Here I have VIVO V20, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Play Store, then you have to tap here, go to the Manage Apps and Devices. Here you have updates available, and here you can see all of these unupdated apps which could be updated. So you can update them by tapping this update button next to them, or you can just tap update all, and after that all of these apps will be updated at once, but it could take some time, so it's for you to decide. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.